Okay, so here we are, the final section of the HyperDoc. It's the reflect section. We are going to, you are going to turn in individual responses. So in everyone's career, sometimes you feel a little bit lost or in need of some support. And that's one of the good things about PLNs is you're able to connect with many other educators and groups where you can find that support. So we want you to pick one of the three quotes, and I pick the one that you identify with the most. You're going to click on this Padlet link right here. So we'll click on that real quick. You are going to add your response here by clicking on this plus sign right here, and then you are required to provide your name, the quote you picked and why. How do you think a PLN might support this person from the quote that you picked? And how could you build your PLN to help support your needs as a teacher? And then create a SMART goal of how you plan to grow and utilize your PLN to enhance your pedagogy in your classroom. So some of the things that you can add to your PLN, might be experts in your fields or other teachers who can help you enhance the pedagogy that you use inside your classroom. So that is it for this HyperDoc. I hope that you guys enjoyed this learning. If you scroll down, you'll find the references and books that we use to create this HyperDoc. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for joining us.